Premium tools and services to consider. LinkedIn itself can be considered one of the most powerful marketing tools available in recent memory, because it allows you to smoothly run your promotional campaigns on the very first social network targeted at professionals, which can immensely widen the reach of your business by the very nature of the audience that you'll be able to serve content to on the platform. But because LinkedIn is so good at allowing you to do that one single thing, to market to a professional audience, you would greatly benefit from integrating third-party functionality to your LinkedIn marketing. The following is a list of premium tools and services that can help you to up the ante. LinkedIn Dominator. The LinkedIn Dominator is a one-of-a-kind automation tool for LinkedIn marketers, a tool that will allow you to easily build marketing lists with a very powerful and intuitive piece of software. In other words, it will allow you to reach the over 300 million registered users in the platform, if that is your aim, the easy way. LinkedIn Dominator is an efficient tool that you can use to manage and automate your LinkedIn marketing campaigns and efforts. For example, it can help you to gather data that can be essential to your social marketing campaigns on the LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn Dominator does this by simply scraping data from search URLs and with the use of filters. LinkedIn Dominator can also add connections to your account on autopilot to increase your marketing success. It can easily send automated invitations either through email or through keyword searches. LinkedIn Dominator can also help you to manage multiple accounts the right way by loading multiple accounts from within a single URL and by deleting or swapping inactive or irrelevant accounts from your inventory. Also, as you might know, groups are vital to your marketing plans. And on account of this, LinkedIn Dominator can automate your group status updates, to use filters to track and invite new members to your groups, and to remove unwanted group members. Crystal. One of the main goals of a LinkedIn marketing campaign is to also find out who your potential prospects and customers will be by refining who you target with your campaigns, by continually educating yourself with the help of the large amount of data that each marketing campaign trail brings to your table. Yet, assessing how your prospects qualify by looking at the profile data can be an excruciating task after the fact, and it is seriously some expert-level stuff that you will have to deal with, which will give you different results than you expected in the long run. That is why it would be amazing to have a tool that could give you an exact reading of your prospects, and Crystal has been designed to give you exactly that. It reviews the information provided on any given LinkedIn page or profile to help you assess a prospect's personality. And you can use this information to increase your chances of effectively communicating with that prospect or organization on their own terms. This means that the approach works for satisfying your prospect's needs as well as your marketing goals. Crystal will allow you to achieve this by importing your contacts from LinkedIn and giving you a personality report based on the information gathered from their personal or corporate profiles. Crystal is so effective at this, in fact, that it can give you real-time advice on how to craft personalized emails and invitations while you compose them. Crystal can also analyze text from social media, which means that it will analyze the content of your interactions with others on LinkedIn groups and on comments left on your company pages. Lead Fuse. One of the greatest strengths of the LinkedIn platform can easily become your greatest weakness. Namely, the amount of data that you have to examine and sort through can be overwhelming once you realize that you will be dealing with more than 300 million registered users. And as any marketer or a business with even the slightest idea of what it takes to run a successful marketing campaign that drives real results, getting leads is the hardest part of the equation when you have a giant target audience in front of you. Lead Fuse has been designed to make lead generation easy and automated. Lead Fuse is all about marketing consistency, and that is why it offers LinkedIn users a software-based platform that does all the grunt work for them. It can automate lead-generating efforts by finding your prospects with the use of data filters that include job title, location, and industry. Lead Fuse is so effective that it automatically pulls up information such as email addresses, phone numbers, company, domain name of their website, and social media profiles. It then automates your personalized outreach by sending a series of emails to your prospects, then sending a series of follow-ups if they don't respond in a designated amount of time. It gives you a full report of your automated marketing and outreach efforts, and it seamlessly integrates with additional contact, support, and marketing platforms. Sales tool. Now, if what you need is a simpler way to collect your data because of technical or time constraints, or just because you believe that less is more, Sales Tool is the perfect solution for you, because it will allow you to import lists of leads from LinkedIn right to your computer in Excel format. And that is not the only thing that is made easier with Sales Tool, because it can also simplify live data search by allowing you to gather information from any website such as LinkedIn in 3 simple steps. Press the plug-in icon on your browser, look at the data stack, and then save your list of prospects to your computer or online platform database with a few clicks. The best part is that the information is kept up to date in real time, storing prospective information such as seniority or department. Welcome to Section 1 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training, LinkedIn Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what is LinkedIn all about, what LinkedIn can do for your business, shocking LinkedIn marketing facts to consider, and LinkedIn walkthrough. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What is LinkedIn all about? Hey there, pals. We're glad to have you back again. And so we welcome you to our latest video training, where you will learn a new way to dominate the ever-growing world of making the internet a fertile ground for doing solid business. And one of the greatest things about making money online is that it is now a fully developed, fully diversified industry. An industry that, not too many years ago, was perceived to be nothing but a niche pastime for internet gurus as well as for the unemployed. This was mostly due to the fact that making money on the internet was limited to a handful of niche activities that only people with a wide knowledge of where to look had access to, including display advertising and affiliate marketing schemes. But the internet has changed a lot since then, and we are now looking at an industry that not only offers people the opportunity to make money online, but to find real jobs that pay real salaries, and to grow in a professional manner thanks to platforms such as LinkedIn. Now, what is LinkedIn all about? Social media platforms took the internet by storm more than a decade ago, and they have been one of the biggest sources of online activity ever since. They were all about minimal user interaction and only used by very specific demographics. But then Facebook entered the picture, and it changed the way that things were made online forever. Mainly because from then on, every place on the internet has made the effort to offer some kind of social feature to their visitors. It also gave birth to the phenomenon of social networks. And now there's a social network for basically anything. Do you want to get in touch with old friends from high school? You can use Facebook. Do you want to share some quick bursts of information? Then use Twitter. Do you want to share your hobbies and awesome crafts? There's Pinterest for that. This focalized approach to designing social networks targeting a specific activity and a specific demographic is what made possible the conception of LinkedIn, famous for being a social network mainly used by job seekers and headhunters. But describing LinkedIn as such barely does it justice. LinkedIn can be best described as a social network with features designed to benefit the business community as a whole. The main goal of this social network is to connect its members on a professional level. Just like any other social networking site, LinkedIn allows people to join it for free and to create a social profile. Whereas other social networks are mostly designed as billboards for people's interests, hobbies, everyday moments, and thoughts, LinkedIn is designed to highlight career-related information. LinkedIn profiles emphasize information such as professional or labor skills, employment history, and education. Also, unlike common social networking sites, social contacts are not called followers or friends, but connections, as to establish a professional tone to interactions made by people on the platform. These connections allow members to connect with people with whom they have worked, gone to school with, or with people that they know on a professional level, whether online or offline. The big advantage that LinkedIn offers to its regular users is that it allows them to be discovered by companies looking for employees, thanks to the massive amount of data that LinkedIn users provide the platform with, including job titles, geographical locations, skill sets, industry information, and much more. On a purely practical level, this means that users looking for new career options as well as for ways to expand their professional reach can use LinkedIn as a great platform to boost their efforts, because it is a powerful way to connect with employers, as well as with other people that might help them to learn a lot more about their own career path. And much like on Facebook, users can customize their LinkedIn accounts so they are served only the best career-related info, including personalized job listings. Also, a LinkedIn profile is currently valued like a well-crafted resume, and lots of people have had success in using the platform to find their dream jobs. LinkedIn can also be used as a great educational resource, as lots of famous business people have LinkedIn profiles that any user can follow to find helpful tips from the most seasoned of professionals from around the world. So, now you know that LinkedIn is a great platform to kickstart a professional career and to find the perfect job without ever leaving your house. But what if you were already running your own company? How can LinkedIn help you grow your business? We're glad you asked, because we're going to give you the answer in our next video. Learning solutions. Becoming a professional takes years of education, but a university title alone won't be enough once you enter the workforce, because what makes a dedicated professional is real-world expertise acquired from ongoing continuous learning. That is why LinkedIn has devised a series of learning solutions that can be accessed through its platform and through third-party efforts that have transformed the world of online education over the past decades. The benefits obtained by businesses using LinkedIn's on-demand learning solutions include soft and people management skills training that will allow them to develop managers and leaders among their talent, the merging of soft and technical skills on a practical level, and a boost of employee productivity of up to 50%. These learning solutions are available for businesses that want to develop and improve leadership positions on their teams, including the development of managers and leaders at all levels, to adapt to the job market of the future by upskilling their entire workforce through education, to keep their employees more productive by teaching them to be comfortable around digital tools, and to accelerate career development among their employees. Higher education facilities such as colleges and universities can also benefit from employing their faculties, staff, and students to access LinkedIn learning solutions that will allow them to discover more inspiring content, to assign video tutorials and tools training for homework, and to leave classroom time for concept mastery, to keep the staff skill set up to date, and to further prepare students to join the workforce once they are out there. LinkedIn also offers learning solutions to government agencies so they can better manage workforce development by maximizing their budgets through on-demand e-learning. LinkedIn Learning Solutions will allow government agencies to do more with less, to attract and retain employees, to close job-related skill gaps, and to promote self-paced learning. This is possible because LinkedIn Learning Solutions can help government agencies to maximize their training budgets, thanks to its cost-effective approach at covering thousands of relevant educational topics, to prioritize learning opportunities as another employee benefit offered by the organization, while also helping these employees to acquire soft and hard skills that they will need to be more productive in their roles. Lastly, LinkedIn Learning Solutions are also available to libraries, and they can provide skill-building job training opportunities and resources to library staff and patrons. Learning solutions offered by LinkedIn to libraries will allow them to provide their staff with the business and technical training that it needs in order to succeed. These learning solutions also benefit the community that the libraries are located in, because they can jumpstart advanced job search and digital literacy initiatives supported by the public. The expert-led learning provided with these solutions include studio-quality videos and resources curated by industry experts and by working professionals, which can greatly help library staff to acquire the type of skills that they need to be more productive in their specific careers. Providing all these institutions with amazing educational opportunities through LinkedIn is made possible by the lynda.com sponsored learning solution, which combines 20 years of experience to back lynda.com's expertise in developing high-quality content with the LinkedIn platform, making it easier to identify and personalize the learning experience offered to each person involved in the learning process.